Hi, I'm Lauren, and if you didn't see the first part of this video, I suggest you go watch it because this part isn't gonna make any sense. This is the second episode of me trying to start my own Depop shop with only $100. Today's episode, we are going to be taking flat lay pictures of the products and designing a thank you card. So let's get right into it. Hi, welcome to episode 2. We're going to be taking pictures of my items. Okay, so today I'm going to be taking pictures of all my products. I have them all laid out right here. And yeah, I found this like cute hack where you basically like put your stuff on here and like you zoom it in so it's just a blue background, and I thought this was pretty cool, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So let's do it. For the clothes. I'm not gonna lie, these are one of my favorites. I glued on a little Nike check on there, and these have like patches from different patterns, and yeah, and I actually also added a cute chain right there. So these are kind of my favorite. They're medium to light wash and they're high-waisted. I love them. So hopefully they sell, because if not, I'll wear them forever. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm sweating so bad. I've been out here for over an hour trying to take these pictures. It's going good, but it's just really hot outside, but I think it's because it's about to rain. I'm so sorry that I look so sweaty, but there's only 2 more products that I have to take pictures of, and then I'll be done. So let's hurry up. Really like this one too. It's just a little sunflower tube top, and if this doesn't sell, I'll keep it. Okay, so hi, it's been a few hours and I just got finished picking out all the pictures. It was kind of really hard to pick out all of them because I took so many, but it's better to have too many than not have enough. Yeah, so right now I'm going to send them over to my phone and then we're gonna edit them. I'm using this as my source of light. Hello, the last time I talked to you I was editing my pictures and I have all those done, but right now I wanted to design a thank you card. I already made a business card. I wanted to place those things in each package, so we're gonna design them really quick. And my hair is wet because I just got out of the shower and I did skincare, and yeah, so let's get right into it. I wanted to make this super cozy, just like we're editing at 10:30 at night, which is exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so hi, I'm back in action. I have this light. I got this idea from somebody on TikTok. I'll leave the channel down below, but she's the one that helped me basically design my whole entire business card because of her tutorials. So you guys should definitely go check her out if you are into Photoshop or any digital editing. this is going to be our text layer. So once you find one that you really like, you're gonna go to export and then just save it as an image. Just put like, I don't know, LOL. And then yeah, so it's gonna be saved onto my downloads. Okay, and then when you get it, just basically like pull it down a little bit so it's not in your way, but you can still see it. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the text layer and we're gonna just click on this. And then from here, okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to highlight one letter, and then I'm gonna go up here to where I choose a color, and then I'm just gonna, I'm gonna choose it from my palette, and then I just continue that. And you don't have to like alternate colors, but I think it's kind of cute. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. So now I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna try to see what effects I can add. Editing is just basically trial and error until you are completely happy with it. Yes! So from here you have to choose which setting you like it on. Okay, so right now I'm going to save it, and you save it, you have to make sure you make it a JPEG and click where you would like it to be saved. And for this, I want to choose the maximum quality because it is going to be a business card. Hopefully, when I cut it out, I'll be able to fold the paper in half and I'll be able to write on the inside. This is the end of episode 2, and I really hope that this works. So if you haven't already, please go follow me on Depop, and you will be the first to see whenever the clothes show up. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and check out the rest of my videos because I think that they're pretty cool, and you might as well subscribe because it's a fun time here. And yeah, okay, bye!